Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2018 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, center armrest, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.